Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add products from to your Shopify from the CJ Dropshipping, then this video is for you. You have to do is you have to go to your Shopify website, the Shopify console panel or the admin panel. Then you can find the apps at the left sidebar. You can simply click on apps and search for CJ Dropshipping, and here you can find the CJ Dropshipping. Simply click on it and it will automatically redirect you to the Shopify app store where you can find the install button here. Now from here you can find it is free to install, but there is some charges after a certain period because they actually allow users to get paid plan. So you have to simply click on install button here to get this application on your Shopify store. So here you can see it has just added. Now you have to simply click on install for one more time here to get this application integrated with your Shopify store. Now you can see it is just stored here, so simply click on this and log in and authorize. You can register here. I'm going to log in. You can register here and enter the details that it asks for. Then I'm going to log in, sign in, like this, sign in, and here I have already created an account. You can create a new one. So here you can see the CJ Dropshipping here, the website. So we have just done it. So we just need to do is go to the Shopify store. Then we are going to simply click on apps, and here is CJ Dropshipping, much faster. We have to simply click on it and it will just take us to the website. So we have to wait until this page load. Here you can see it has just loaded. Now from here you can find different types of app product that you can use to get it on your website. For example, I'm going to use airsoft guns. The search for the product, here you can use the search bar here to search for your expected product. So I'm going to search for it, and for example, here we can see there is different types of airsoft gun here. So for example, this one, so I'm going with this toy here, and if you want to add this, then you have to do is simply, let me show you. Here is the list, or you can find the connect button to directly connect with it. Or if you have multiple products, then you can create a list and add a product to that list, and you can directly add that list on your Shopify store directly and at once. Now simply click on connect to add that product. Here you can see after clicking the connect here, we have to wait until it loads, and you can see sent successfully. So it has just sent my all product that are actually existed, and it will also added this. Now you have to simply do is simply click on the connect. Please pin the product you want. You have to simply it say that connect in your in your store. So you have to simply click on pin and pin again and pin again. Yes. Now simply click on connect, and here you can see it has just connected here. Now you have to do is press connection. So your you have to do is you have to connect your store products with CJ existing one. Then CJ platform will send you order from your store. Now simply click on confirm, and please select the product. Let me show you the select product here. First you say you have to choose from here all of this. So it's just like this. I'm going to add this. Then simply click on confirm. Now you have to simply click on this to both, and simply click on this both product now linked, and simply click on confirm, and it will link the product with my Shopify store. Now you can see connected, and that's how you can just add it. And my products, if I go to the product section, then you can find that there is product just added here. If I show you, so you can find that there is product that actually added. Here it is. Now here it is. So here you can see I have just connected it. Now we have to do is we are going to find this product again, and that's for actually connecting the product with our existing product. Now we are going to list that product in our product inventory in Shopify. So you have to do is go here and search for this same I'm going to search for the same thing from here. Go back. Now I have just got a mistake here, so we are going to copy that name from here, for example this name here, and search for this product here. Now here you can see the product, here it is. Now you have to simply click on it. Now you can find the list, simply click on list, and here you can find custom editing. You have to you can actually edit here anything like product type. You can add vendor, you can add titles, collection. You can select the collection here, and tags also. You can add some tags from here. Now I'm going to list it now. Simply click on list it. Sorry for that. Shopify price store here. So I'm going to this. Now here you have to simply click on the variant pricing. So you have to add the pricing. So the RRP is that much. CJ Dropshipping and total fee, all of them are like this, and you have to add the fee from here. Like I'm going to adding expected anything like just like this, and simply like click on list it now, and here you can see it has just listed it programmed. So we can actually now check to our products page here. So simply click on products. I'm going to reload my page from here. Now it will take a little time to list that product, so you have to wait until it import that product on your Shopify product list. Now from here we have to wait until it loads. So that's how you can just find it. You have to wait until it lists the product. Here you can see it is just listing. Here it is. Now go to Shopify. If I simply use this link and I can try to find it, I go to products and I'm going to products here. Now let's see if this product is added or not. So there is in draft or anything like here. It's just added here, like this product or anything from here. So here is the problem that my author page is not found here. So we have to do is we have to simply products and simply search, change this product from here like this one, and simply click on list it now. Please select the category here, and I'm going to select the category. So here you can see I have just added it. So there is a problem. So you can see it's just successful. So there is a problem, that is I have choose a wrong store, because I have 2 or 3 store here. If I show you in all store, there is this is my store address, and CJ Drop has captured another one that actually was my trial store. So that was my issue. So make sure that you have choose your perfect address store. So you can go to all store and you can find the store address from here. Make sure that you have copied the URL and you have matched it. Now if I just load the product section here, then it probably present there, because it has just like this, and here you can see the product has just added here. So that's how you can just add the product. So I have also this there is some confusion, so you have to customize this perfectly to add this product from here. Now you can also customize this product from here as you want. You can change image, you can categorize it, you can add variants, you can add description, meta title, meta description, tags, collection here. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.